What's up, guys? Devin with Adventure Hobby Passion. Back today doing another video. Today is going to be kind of a weird video. It's all time lapses. So this first little time lapse is going to be our adventures, as driving to some of our adventures in Moab. It's going to be driving around to the canyon, the Colorado River right there. It's also going to be driving around to getting to the spot where we jumped in that hike. It's a trailhead kind of. And then that's this first part of driving. Sorry, I said I was gonna post this video last Sunday, but life's been really hectic on stuff in there. But you know, we're getting to it. We're still at least keeping Wednesday's video. So jump into it. Alright, hopefully you enjoyed that little montage of driving all around Moab. I thought it was pretty good. This next part is going to be traveling from Moab, Utah, well, just out of Moab, Utah, where we were camping, to the mouth of the canyon of Highway 6, of going into I-15 area, which is at the bottom of Utah County, if any of you know that area. But yeah, that's gonna do this rest of the time lapse. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed all the time lapses of today. That was a nice, cool little drive. Hopefully it wasn't get you guys too sick. But yeah, hopefully you enjoyed today's video. Like, comment, share, subscribe. The biggest thing on my channel, go out and go find your pet.